Recurring Twitter imports pull people who follow a Twitter account into your nation. This allows you to expand your Twitter outreach of like-minded people. Using filters, you can tailor outreach to these prospects. Note that each Twitter profile imported will count towards the total number of people in your database, which could increase cost. Please review our pricing to see how it might affect your nation. Start a new recurring import. You'll start by clicking on People, Import. Click New Recurring Import. To import everyone who follows a Twitter account, select Twitter Followers. To import everyone a Twitter account follows, select Twitter Followings. Name the import. Keep it relevant to the Twitter handle you're importing. Enter the Twitter handle. Don't include the @ symbol. Add automated workflow elements including tags, membership, and paths. We strongly recommend adding a tag specific to every recurring import for easy filtering later. Consider developing a tag system. For example, label imports with a version of follows @ Twitter handle or follower of @ Twitter handle. Click Save Recurring Import. Ongoing recurring imports. All recurring imports can be viewed at People, Import, Recurring. Every import will be listed. Details will include the control panel user who created the import and the latest status. Status shows the last time a recurring import was completed. Recurring imports will refresh every few hours, indicated as status. New followers will be pulled in during the refresh. If an account stops interacting with a Twitter handle, the tag will not be removed, nor will the profile be deleted from your nation. End a recurring import by clicking the arrow and selecting Delete.